Morphle can morph into anything I want.
I will teach you all about the forest animals.
Animals!
No, Morphle. Zebras live on the savannah, not in the forest. Shh! Do you hear that? Listen carefully. This sounds like a rare, colorful bird. Look! There it is!
Wow!
Come, Mila and Morphle. Let's see what animal is over there.
Wow, that's a monkey!
Impossible! Monkeys live in the jungle, not in the forest. I think... Oh, fascinating! This trail could be from a deer, or maybe a wild boar.
Elephant!
A lot of small animals live in this pond, like ducks, fishes, frogs.
Dolphins!
No, Morphle. Dolphins live in the ocean, just like whales, jellyfish, and sharks.
Ah! Looks like you were wrong about the sharks, Uncle Wilford.
Wait, what? Ah! Maybe I don't know anything about forest animals at all.
Orphle?
So he pranked us yesterday with all those strange animals. How about we prank him back? Orphle, watch out! There's a really scary dinosaur after me.
Now we got you back, Orphle.
Well, who wants to try and find a deer?